Extraction starts with precision and controlled force.
Every fracture is planned long before it happens.
The Earth releases what it has guarded for millennia.
Gold appears first as a promise within stone.
Scale and strength move the raw material forward. The journey continues from pit to processing ground. Before refinement, the stone must be broken down. Reduction is the first step toward purity. Material flows endlessly once set in motion.
Every batch is measured, traced, and recorded.
Quality begins at the very first sample.
From raw earth, the path to refinement is set. Extraction ends where logistics begin. Raw material must travel far before it transforms.
Every gram is accounted for before entry.